Hey guys, I'm back. Today I got a brand new Rubik's Cube through the mail. And this is it. And this is a puzzle by Oskar van Deventer. It even has his signature right there. And this is called the Mix-Up Cube. What it does is, it turns like a normal Rubik's Cube, as you can see so far. But I'm not going to get really scrambled because then you won't be able to see the fun. Here's the fun part. You can turn it halfway like this, and then make another turn like this, and continue turning it. And I think I just messed it up. Oh crap. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it fixed. It is pretty cool. Because being able to turn it halfway like this and then make another turn like this just seems to be pretty cool to me. And being able to being able to just continue making turns that just seems pretty outrageous. Now let me just put this back to normal. Now let's try some of the patterns I like with it. The turning ain't really that great, but it's pretty good. Oh my gosh. And it is so good, I can turn a center slice, kind of. This is just an amazing cube. And I would recommend checking out Oskar's channel. And yeah, he's made a lot of more pretty cool puzzles. This is just like one of my favorites out of them all. It's just look at it. It's actually pretty big. And it does turn pretty good. Oh, it does want to get jammed. I think this is version 1. He had 2 versions. I don't know if this is version 1 or 2. Hold on, let me check. I don't know. But anyway, there's his signature again. And there's the company. Sorry, I'm still kind of sick. This is a pretty good cube. Let's try the checkerboard pattern. Yeah, and I guess I should show why they call this the mix-up cube. It's called a mix-up cube because 2 centers can be right next to each other. Now, on. Okay. I don't want to take this apart because this is just too good of a cube to take apart. Let's just see the center slice turns again. Oops, didn't work that time. Not even that time. It kind of works. This is just amazing. I think I might have to end this video because I'm having too much fun playing with this that I might lose track on the video. So, I guess I'll see everybody in the next video. Thanks for watching.